up guys? Today my hair is so fucking tangled. Today we're going to be doing the Ipsy unboxing. Funny thing is today I have my unboxing knife, but I don't need one for Ipsy. So I'm just gonna open it up here and pull it up. Oh, it's cloth. Tell me why this reminds me of our last one. Was it our last one? This reminds me of, didn't we get a salmon colored one? We got a salmon colored one. I don't remember where it is or where I put it, but we got one that was this color. I think it was on the back of like the travel one. This one's interesting. It is the first cloth one, I think. Yeah, it's definitely the first cloth one that I've gotten. It has a little tassel that it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. I don't normally like tassels, but that's kind of cute. Actually, no. Actually, yeah. Just looking at it, it's kind of cute. Okay, that's not what we're here for. We're here for what's inside. So let's pull out the little card, and it says confidence level, selfie with no filter. All right, so let's go ahead and open it on up. The first item in here, ooh, this is cute. It's a little popsicle. It is a lip gloss. I love lip glosses. Just the way this looks makes me feel like it's very cheap or like childish, like, you know, like when you were young and your mom would get you makeup and stuff. I swear it looked like this. But then, you know, you think about brands like Tony Moly who like really cater to like the cute, I do need the knife, cater to like really cute styles. So really, is it childish or is it smart? Are they marketing towards a certain, like, they're just marketing, right? That's their market strategy. This thing was a little bit tougher to open. This thing is so cute. I don't know how the heck I'm going to store this. I'm just going to have to throw it in somewhere. It looks super shiny. It almost looks like a nail polish, really, if I'm being honest with you. And it looks like it has a little bit of a golden, like, shimmer in there, and this pinkness. And this is totally not going to match my eye look today. But like the BOXYCHARM I did this month, who cares if it matches my eye look? I want to try it on. Oh, I kept trying to turn like this, but then like you turn your popsicle stick. That's cute. Okay, I need a mirror. See, the funny thing is, like, also I'm realizing this now, I can't set this down because there's no way to set it down. I guess it won't really leak out, but okay. It smells like the Sweet Peach collection, and it's not too pigmented. I'm trying to see if I can see the like golden shimmer, and I can like barely tell, but it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel super heavy or glossy, and it's super duper cute. Next in here is going to be the CHATTY Glow 2 highlighter, and add a gentle sweep across cheekbones, brow bones, and where the light would naturally hit your face, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. Oh, right. This isn't BOXYCHARM. Nothing's full size. This is how we got this one. So it's like in a metal pan. And I'm going to need a Z palette just because of Ipsy. I'm going to keep it in here for now because I don't have a Z palette. I am not a fan of single shadows or single pressed powders because I don't like having to pick them up and read the bottom, and it's not fun for me. This looks pretty. You can't really tell. It's got a little bit more of a pinkish, like rose goldy look in real life, but let's try to put some on. I already have highlight on, but let's go. This isn't supposed to be a try on. I have a bunch of makeup on my face. Ooh. Did that just make me shine like no other? Holy hell. Holy hell. This looks awful. This is bad. This is bad. I'm not saying the product is bad. I'm just thinking I have too much on my face. But it does look like I got punched in the, not punched in the face. Why do I always say punched in the face? It looks like, oh Jesus. No, this thing is so shiny and totally glittery. I'm not going out today anyway, so it's okay what this bag makes me look like. Next in here, okay. This is the 111 Skin. 111 Skin? I don't know this brand. Cryo activating hydrogel, like like cryo? Is it gonna make me like lose weight? Is it gonna burn my fat off? Apply in the morning and at night after cleansing and toning. Actually a pretty good size considering it's, oh no, it's for your face and neck. I was gonna say for your eyes, but that's cool. I have no idea. It's just regenerative, right? That's just it. It's activating hydrogel, regenerative, whatnot. See how hydrating you are? That's what it looks like. I like the way it feels so far. Would I say it's immensely cold? No. Not even like icy hot cold. Is it a moisturizer? I kind of really don't understand how to use this. Oh no, it said use it with the retinol. So, I mean not with the retinol, with the serum. So I'm guessing kind of like that. Yeah, use in combination with the serum. So you kind of just use, it says, I'm all over the place with this. Okay, it says a luxurious but lightweight waterless gel cream containing aloe vera, ultra hydration, dewy and supple. I definitely feel dewy and supple. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna, I think I like it. I think I like it so far. Yeah. Yee. I don't know what just happened. Anyway, I have my hand in here. I said one's really big and one's really small. We're gonna grab the small one first. This is the BDB Billion Dollar Brows Mini Universal Brow Pencil. I love brow pencils, especially when I don't have to pay full price. Well, I guess it's not full size, so it doesn't matter. The most recent one that I've tried is the Tony Moly one of them. This is a pretty brown, I'm thinking, but oh, okay, tip's already out. Just the tip. Okay, I do have that like hydration thing on me. I feel like this is gonna be way too light for my brows. Oh, whoa. And also way too warm tone. Do you see how like cool toned my brows are? Like I like my brows to be cool toned. Like almost gray basically. Okay, the last one here I told you felt a little bit larger, and this is a gel. It's a cleansing gel. Okay, I like skincare. This is the I don't read this language. I don't know how to pronounce any of this. Ready. Eau thermale avene, avene. Eau thermale, thermal, EU thermale avene, avino, no, not avino, that's not right. Cleanance. It's like clearance, but cleanance. It's a they're putting the French or the whatever language above the English. I thought that was the gel nettoyant. What happened? Cleansing gel, soap free, good. And for oily, blemish prone skin, I don't know why my blemishes have been coming out to party, but this will be good. I don't necessarily have oily skin. I have like more combination skin, oily T-zone, drier in this area, you know, the cheeks. So this is good. Great. I really like cleansing gels and cleansing milks, like, or any type of like balminess, as long as it's not foaming. Typically, as long as it's not foaming, I really like it to get rid of my makeup. I said I was gonna do my skincare routine, but I haven't yet. I'll do that soon. We're coming to an end. Actually, I think we've already hit the end. Yeah, we've hit the end. This is it. Thanks for stopping by today. Just kidding, I have to tell you goodbye and tell you to click on these videos and subscribe up there, and then now I'll tell you goodbye and I'll see you next time.